Asana versus Wrike versus Monday, three giants in the project management world. But which one actually helps you get work done faster, easier, and with less headache? I've used all three, and let's just say, there are some things you need to know before picking one. Stick around because by the end, I'll show you an even better alternative you don't want to miss. First up, ease of use. Monday has a colorful, user-friendly interface that makes organizing tasks simple, especially for beginners. But here's the catch, it can feel limiting if you need more advanced features. Asana strikes a balance with a clean design and powerful capabilities, but it can get overwhelming with too many options. Wrike, on the other hand, is packed with features, but the learning curve? Steep. If your team isn't tech savvy, expect a slow onboarding process. Next, task and workflow automation. Asana and Monday both have automation tools to cut down on repetitive work. Monday's automations are easy to set up, but can feel restrictive in free and lower tier plans. Asana offers more flexibility, but Wrike is the real powerhouse here, allowing highly customizable workflows. The trade-off? Wrike's automations can feel overcomplicated unless you have a dedicated project manager setting them up. The third thing, team collaboration. If you need seamless communication, Asana and Monday integrate well with Slack, Teams, and email. Monday even has built-in document collaboration. Wrike takes it further with real-time proofing and approvals, making it great for teams handling a lot of content or revisions. But here's the issue, Wrike's UI is cluttered, and finding messages buried in task threads can be frustrating. The fourth thing, pricing and value. Monday and Asana have free plans, but as soon as you need key features like timelines or dependencies, you're pushed into paid tiers. Wrike doesn't even pretend, its best tools are locked behind higher pricing. For small teams, Monday is the most budget-friendly, but for larger teams needing robust workflows, Wrike offers more depth. Asana sits in the middle, giving you a mix of usability and functionality at a fair price. Final verdict? It depends on your needs. Monday is great for beginners and small teams but lacks depth. Wrike is powerful but requires a serious time investment to master. Asana is the middle ground, versatile but can get overwhelming as projects scale. But after using all three, I found something even better. If you want a smarter, more efficient project management tool without the steep learning curve, you need to check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out, you might just save yourself a ton of time and frustration.